Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to install Lego Fortnite on your computer. Now for this you will need the Epic Game Store, as you can see right over here, and make sure that you're logged in inside your Epic Game Store. Firstly, what you have to do is just simply search for Lego, and now just simply click on View More over here, and right over here you will find Lego Fortnite. Click on that, and now just simply click on View Library. And if you haven't added this in your library yet, just simply click on Buy Now and complete the process. It is gonna be absolutely free, so don't worry about that. Now once it says in library, click on this option, and then you will find two options, Fortnite and Lego Fortnite. Now before installing your Lego Fortnite, you should install Fortnite, or if Fortnite is already installed, the Lego Fortnite will automatically install. And if Fortnite is uninstalled, you will need to install Fortnite first, then Lego Fortnite. Or what you can do, if both of them are uninstalled, just simply start the installation process for Lego. So click on Lego over here, then start the installation of it. And Fortnite will automatically start installing, as you can see right over here. And when it is installed, you can start the game from here directly, or it will also give a shortcut on your desktop and you can start from there too. So it's totally up to you, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel, and take care.